Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 30. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings, enter security and biometrics, and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords. Let's start with the top of the list. So let's select none. Now swipe. PIN. Password. And in the end, pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock. And now simply add fingerprint and scan it on the sensor right here. Touch the sensor multiple times. Now let's go to face unlock. Tap start and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.